Big one, guys. Medium. All the way up. Turn that on. So pounds. Yep. What does it say? £6. Yeah. A lovely one here. Lovely golden colours. Lovely. So I'm going to purr back. After she stops flopping. There. Beautiful fish. Feisty fella as well. Hauled him in from way over there. So I'll talk to you guys when I catch the next one. Peace out. Big one on. Come on. Swear to God. I've got my other rod now. Get in there. Yes. Oh, Jesus Christ. I got tangled in my other line. Oh my gosh. We need to wave this guy. Get back in the water ASAP. Scales. He is. He is. For any of you who can't tell, that's 660. He fought fucking hard. I thought it was a massive one. Same size as the other one. Just slightly small, well, bigger than the previous. Oh, check out this fish. Look at that. Beautiful. Give him a kiss. Send him back. There he goes. Time to untangle this rod here and that rod there. Pain in the arse. Ah, but that's fishing life for you, isn't it? One more. Okay, there we go. Shall I hold it? Shall I hold it? And there she goes. That's the third fish today. Third fish. On that. Where? Let's see how. Beautiful fish. Well, guess she's going back now. I'll show you the haul. First bream, first fish of the day. Goes back. Some silver bream. Rudd. Bream. Quite a large rudd, been attacked by a heron by the so a bit of a dent on its head. Put it back. And then last but not least, a couple of hybrids. Ooh. He's fine. Yeah. A couple of hybrids. And then Rod, really blue hybrid. Double check. We are all good. This is LB Fishing. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video.